There's a lot of differences between President-elect Biden and President Trump. Of course, Mr. Biden has spent the past 18 months or more showing the world what those differences are in making his case to be the next president of the United States. Mr. Biden will want to come in and focus on, of course, the pandemic and then the economy, and then he'll want to address some of the civil unrest that we've seen in this nation over the past year or so. Especially on those first two, there are opportunities for significant collaboration with China. And so if you talk about the pandemic, there's opportunities for significant collaboration in the healthcare space. And I think one of the biggest differences between Biden and Trump in terms of the approach will be looking towards cooperation, whether it's direct bilateral cooperation between the United States and China or international cooperation, coalition building, if you will, to push China in a certain direction, or enlisting China as part of a coalition when you talk about nuclear nonproliferation in places like Iran or North Korea. On the second piece, on the economic piece, although Biden and Trump are very different people, you may see some consistency in terms of the pressure that Biden and the Biden administration will be putting on China to, for example, meet the phase 1 goals in terms of the number of goods purchased, in terms of meeting the 2030 climate goals that were agreed to at APEC during the Obama administration, in terms of not devaluing currency. And I also think you'll see Biden some consistency around intellectual property, and some consistency around censorship as well when it comes to who can access the internet, China's approach with the Belt and Road Initiative and its influence in the international space in terms of cybersecurity law. And so lots of differences between Trump and President Biden, President-elect Biden, but I think you may see some consistency given where less Biden and Trump are on issues, but more so where America has been on a range of these issues for the past 20 or 30 years.